Good morning, students. So here I am with a video on a request that is word problems on fractions. That day it seems we were having a very low network and I was not so very well audible. So few children said that they want to repeat the topic. So I'm repeating the topic, but this time I'm not taking the word problems from your textbook. I'm taking my own word problems and trying to explain you the concept of word problems on fractions. Now, word problems on fractions, you know, children, that by now you have already learned how to write the statement. So I'm not going to repeat how to write the statements that you already know, and you really have to be more independent on how to write a statement. You really don't have to be monotonous कि मैम ने जो बोर्ड पे लिखा या पावर पॉइंट स्लाइड पे लिखा वैसा ही हम कॉपी डाउन करेंगे. आप क्या इंटरप्रेट करते हैं आफ्टर रीडिंग द वर्ड प्रॉब्लम? You have to write the statements on your own. The statements can vary. You don't have to use the words like how, what, when, where. The question words are not to be used in statement. You must be knowing the English grammar. What is the difference between a question and a statement? तो statements में आप question words नहीं use कर सकते हैं. Rest you can write the statement on your own. Now I will teach you exactly how to understand the word problem and solve it. So I will not concentrate on how to write the statements right now, but how to understand the word problem, interpret it and solve it. So let's go ahead and right now see uh, what do we have it in store, which questions I'm taking with you all. I hope my screen is clearly visible. Yes, let me check. Just wait. Now, yes, my screen is clearly visible. So here, the word problem says is a cake recipe called for using 2/4 cups of sugar before baking and another 1/4 cup of after baking. What is the total amount of sugar needed here? Now, children, you have to remember the word total. You have to remember the word total stands for addition, right? Now, what does the question is giving you? What two fractions it's giving you? It's telling you that 1/4 cup of sugar was called before baking. Sorry, 2/4 cup of sugar was called for before baking and 1/4 cup of sugar after baking. What is the total? Total means addition. So what exactly I'm going to do here is, of course, add with the two fractions given to me. So the two fractions given to me are 2/4 and 1/4. Now I have also told you before doing the operation, you have to check if the denominators are same. If the denominators are same, what do we have to do? We have to retain the denominators and the addition takes place between the numerator. See, the numerators are 2 and 1 and the denominator is 4 and both the denominators are 4. So we are going to retain the denominator and add the numerators. That is 2 plus 1 is equals to 3 and this is 4. So 3/4 cup of sugar was used during and after the baking. Now let's look at another problem. Sophia has done 7/8 of her homework so far. Emma has only done 5/8 of her homework. How much more homework has Sophia done than Emma? How much more homework I have to find out? So that means I need to do subtraction from of the smaller fraction from the bigger fraction to find out कि सोफिया ने कितना होमवर्क एमा से ज्यादा किया. जैसे कि आप रिमेम्बर करें, I discussed one word problem that is of Jojo's height. Okay, there was a height given of John and Jojo, and they asked you how much is Jojo taller than John, something of that sort. I don't remember, I don't have the textbook right now, पर उसमें ऐसा ही था. Exactly what is more? How much more is Jojo's height? So here you have to subtract the smaller fraction from the bigger fraction क्योंकि आपको पता करना है कि दूसरे का होमवर्क कितना ज्यादा हुआ है. Of course you will say, ma'am, always you have said that more का मतलब addition होता है, right? But see how the question has been placed. How much more homework has Sophia done than Emma? तो ये फाइंड आउट करने के लिए तो हमको सब्ट्रैक्शन ही करना पड़ेगा. कितना ज्यादा? अगर आपके पास 6 चॉकलेट्स हैं और आपके भाई के पास 4 चॉकलेट्स हैं, तो आपके पास कितने मोर चॉकलेट्स हैं उसके लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? 6 minus 4 is equals to 2. You have to do subtraction. Where and how the word more has been placed, you have to understand that. So let's see what are we going to do in our next step here. 7/8 is one fraction and another fraction is 5/8. Okay, the two have done the homework. Here, see the image given. 7/8 minus 5/8. Again, the denominators are same. Whether you are doing addition or subtraction, if the denominators are same, you're going to retain the denominator and the operation will take place between the numerators. So 7 minus 5 is 2 and the denominator is same. So 2/8 of the homework was done more by Sophia than Emma. 2/8 of homework was done more by Sophia than Emma. Or Sophia did 2/8 of homework more than Emma. It's the way you write. Your English, your interpretation, but of course, you have to make sure your English has to be grammatically correct. Your statement has to be grammatically correct. Sophia did 2/8 of homework more than Emma. 2/8 of homework was done more by Sophia than Emma. Jana nahi. Okay, so this is how the things work. Let's see what do we have more in store. Add and subtract fractions with like denominators. I will share one more screen with you. Just give me a moment. Let me share the screen. Let me see whether the screen is visible. Yes, the screen is visible. Now let's solve the word problem here. Naina read a book for an hour in the morning. Naina read a book for 2/4 of an hour in the morning and 3/4 of an hour in the evening. How long did she read the book? Let's read the question again. Naina read a book for 2/4 of an hour in the morning and 3/4 of an hour in the evening. How long did she read the book? Fraction of an hour. Fraction of an hour read in the morning was 2/4. Fraction of an hour read in the evening was 3/4. Total fraction of an hour read by Naina. Total fraction of an hour read by Naina. What are you going to do here? 2/4 plus 3/4. Total bola hai na? How long together did she read the book? Of course, the denominators are same. So we are going to retain, we are going to write 2/4 plus 1/4, sorry, 3/4. And because the denominators are same, we are going to retain the denominator. So is equal to 4 is the denominator and 2 plus 3, that is the operation will be operated on the numerator only. That makes it 5/4 of the hour. Okay. 5/4 of the hour of the total fraction of an hour of 5/4 was read by Naina throughout the day. Hanin distributes 1/4 of his chocolates bar among his friends and 2/4 of it are among his siblings. What does siblings means? The sisters and brothers. What fraction of the chocolate bar he distributes in all? Now there is in all. What does in all means? Together. It means addition. So fraction of chocolate bar Hanin distributes among his friends is 1/4. Fraction of chocolate bar he distributes among his siblings is 2/4. Again, the denominators are absolutely same. So we are going to retain the denominator 4 and do the addition between the numerators. So 4, 2 plus 1. So total distribution of the chocolate bars, total fraction of chocolate bars he distributed was 3/4. So it's very simple, children, not at all difficult. You just have addition and subtraction. You don't have too much of difference there. No multiplication, no division of fraction. The word problems are completely based. The word problems are completely based on addition and subtraction, though you know how to divide, though you know how to multiply. So I am stopping my video here. I hope you have understood and will try to solve more problems during the live session of your word problem exercise.